beads.
That's so funny.
Is that a sock?
There's something else.
It's either a sock or a thong. It's crazy how these birch get. I wonder if they cut them. They cut the branches. I mean, I don't see any other way.
I don't know.
It's just weird, though.
They look just like little nubs, though. It doesn't look like cuts.
When we used to stay up at our property, which wasn't very often, I think we camped there once, maybe twice, but there's a lot of birch on our property, and birch burns great. So we'd go get some of the younger trees, because when they cut it, our property when we bought it had so many trees, we had them cut every other tree, and it was still this thick.
There's things on that one.
Oh wow!
Are they pine cones? Birds?
Yeah.
What the hell are they?
I don't know.
That's weird.
I think I saw an animal running right over there.
In
Maybe
there?
it was a bird, yeah. I'm not sure. Maybe it was Bigfoot. Yeah, our property was pretty cool. It wasn't flat. It was flat on most of it, but then it went down to the lake. And I'm sad that my mom had to sell it, but because it was perfect. They had everything cleared for the house. My uncle had the lot next to us, but he ended up selling his way before my mom sold ours. I'm sure now, whatever they paid for it then, now I'm sure it's worth 10 times that.
Yeah. Well, look at my mom's house in California. She had it for like 13 years, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Bought it for 40, sold it for 280,000 or
Wow.
something. Greg was asking me what I thought about Ronnie's the dad's letter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I said, it's too bad. I said, what did I say? I said, I feel sorry for him. I don't want him to be homeless. But we did tell him. He just didn't listen.
Yeah.
And I said, and I blame that on Alice because she was unhonest
Oh yeah.
about a lot of things. And, I feel bad for him, but there's nothing I can do about it.
Yep.
I don't have money to give him. I don't have a place for him to stay. I mean, the most I could do is maybe go out there and help him come out here, but...
Yeah. What did Greg say?
Well, I lost
Oh, okay.
internet, so... And he didn't get my last text. He says,
Oh.
I don't want to be the one to tell him I told you so,
Yeah.
is what he said.
But, that's
Not
weird.
that far from the ground right now.
No. It'd still probably die.
Yeah? You think so?
Yeah.
How far do you think that is?
At least 2.5, 3 stories up. Yeah, if he gets a decent amount every month, he should be able to find
I'm gonna
a place.
look it up.
Yeah, he should be able to find a place. And if he wants to come out here, I'm saying Greg should fly back, or Jeffrey, and just, see, the big problem is he has so much crap.
He has
that-
he has 2 storage sheds. That's
full
it.
of tools.
Right.
But how about
Is it a
everything else he
watch?
has? I don't know.
Or a little can.
Oh, it's a can. Yeah, I mean, because remember he had that RV that was full.
That's gone.
That's gone. Okay.
That burnt down
Oh, okay.
a long, long time ago.
Okay. Yeah, I think.
I think Dirk borrowed it and it caught on
Oh.
fire.
I think one of them just needs to go down, and if he does want to come out, get his stuff and get him a place out here. If he gets enough a month, there's plenty of cheap places. You know, get him a little mobile home in one of these parks. I mean, a lot of them you can buy the place for $3-4 grand, and then just pay the lot fee.
Yeah.
They're not the greatest, but I mean,
Better than being homeless.
yeah. He lives in the house with Jeffrey, in your mom's house, and you don't have to worry
That
about.
ain't gonna fucking happen.
I know. I'm just joking.
You're crazy.
Listen, I'm joking, but I could see that possibility.
Mom won't let it happen.
Oh, I know she won't, and I think if that were to come up, that would probably hurt her feelings a lot. If Jeff or Greg were to say, "Hey, we're going to bring him up and have him live with Jeff," your mom would probably be really upset about that.
Mm-hmm.
If you even hear an inkling of that, you need to shut that down like as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Just say no, absolutely not. I mean, they already hurt her feelings with Jeff tearing it up.
Not bad enough to where she's not gonna let him.
Oh yeah, I know.
I mean, she truly doesn't get that. Yeah, she's giving me 2 cars. I don't care.
Yeah.
But she's really hurt Patty's feelings.
Yeah.
Look at all the wood up here.
I know.
It's crazy. What is that?
Burnt wood. Yeah.
Thought it was a little bear cub.
That's what I thought too. No,
That
yeah,
would
it's
have been
burnt wood,
super
there's more
cool.
burnt wood right there. In there. So quiet,
I know.
except for the kids.
I wonder how far we're gonna go.
All the way to the top.
Oh, there's people right there.
Hmm.
We can see the zigzags.
That's cool. Yeah, they had a couple hills up where we used to ski that I could go like almost straight because it wasn't that steep. Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Good morning.
But I'd get going so fast, and I didn't know how to stop like everybody else.
I would just sit.
My way of stopping was crashing. But I did learn, because I used to just know how to snowplow stop. But going up there, Kevin Lee taught me how to do the ch like that.
Yeah.
To slow you down, not to stop you, just slow you down.
Why are we slowing down?
Because they're letting somebody on, or getting somebody off.
Oh. She should have warned us about that part.
Yeah.